Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the day 3rd where I'm learning English speaking. I'm not good in English but already I'm working in English speaking. So I'm from Punjab. Basically my native place is Uttar Pradesh, UP. But I leave that city due to some circumstances. I completed my education in Punjabi medium. So my background is Hindi. I mean to say that my native language is Hindi. My family speak Hindi but my environment is Punjabi. So nobody in there, they are all speak in English. So it is very hard to me for learning English. Nobody can speak with me in this language. And I know I'm doing so many mistakes in here. Yes, because me also learner. But in the end of the video, I will try to rectify my all mistake. So if you want to achieve anything, practice is matter. I learn in somewhere. Practice make perfect in every kind of field. If you want to perfect, if you want to achieve something, that's why I'm trying to doing practice in here. Let me tell you one incident which has happened in before yesterday. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, before yesterday. It means perso. So I went to one function and her the function, the Mehndi function, and the speaking in English, and that time I feel nervous. Why happened this situation with me? Because I'm not perfect in English. Sometime if you are perfect in English, sometime you are the feel nervous in like front of the best fluencer who are speaking perfect English. That situation is happened with me, so sometime I feel nervous. So I'm sharing with you because I'm learning, I'm not fluent. So this is the another situation happened with me, and when I returned back to my home, I feel awkward. Why you are not speak in English in front of her if you know very well? So this is the very literally hard to broke my heart. So this is not casual. Then afterward I search on chat gpt. Already I'm sharing with you, I'm talking with chat gpt and Gemini. So that is the normal casual situation which is happen with everybody. So don't be feel sad in every time, don't be regret. Learning improve yourself. One day you are speak in front of her. So this is the morning time period, is 8 o'clock approximately. I bath, I did worship, everything. I completed my reading, writing, and now I'm speaking in here for practice myself in speaking. So this is enough for today because this is day 3rd talking in learning English and speaking in English. So if you are beginner, I'm telling to you, I am making so many videos for beginner, and you visit my channel. Hope my channel is so helpful for you because I shared so many videos about translation, 5 new vocabulary word with Hindi meaning and sentence formation, daily using word, and making stories in English. And I try to making uploading videos in a readings book, then that will be helpful for you. So you should visit my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, meet you next video. Bye.